OpenAI launches GPT Store for custom AI agents. The AI marketplace we've all been waiting for is here. OpenAI just launched the official GPT Store for users to find and share custom chatbots. The store features trending community-created GPTs for topics like art, writing, programming, education, and more. OpenAI will also highlight hand-picked GPTs each week. Some initial featured bots can give hiking tips, summarize research papers, teach coding, design graphics, and recommend books. The possibilities are endless. To get your GPT included, you'll need to make it public and have a verified profile. OpenAI will review bots to ensure they meet policy guidelines. Here's the big news. Starting in Q1, US creators can earn money as OpenAI pays based on usage of your GPTs. This is groundbreaking for monetizing AI. Teams and enterprise customers get special access too. The store integrates private GPTs within organizations. The GPT marketplace opens the floodgates for everyone to benefit from shared AI expertise. We're all excited to see what amazing bots the community creates. What kind of GPT would you find most helpful? Share your ideas below. The era of community-built AI is just getting started.